my god!
Next time, I'm gonna trust your
I've seen anything like this.
Oh my, look at this, the fence!
Are we okay? Is there anything above us?
I don't know, I told you a piece of my ceiling came
We
out.
might want to stand back a little bit from the window. Because these are getting pretty big.
It's right now about to engulf us. Like, I'm driving into it right now.
It really is. It looks scary looking.
I have never seen anything like this in my life. We're in it now.
I can't believe it. Like, yeah, I know. I really can't believe it.
Camera, I'm videoing it right now. We're in the middle of it right now.
Hey, Ernest.
Dad, Mommy, can we go to Daddy?
Look, it's pitch black. We are, sweetie. We're going home right now.
Open! Water!
Yeah, I can drive right now, so I'm gonna try to get out of here.
It's almost here. That's crazy.
Olha aí, mãe, o mar. Olha, mãe. Olha o mar, mãe. Olha. Olha.
To je tornádo.
No. Všechno pozavírané v kuchyni.
Jo, v kuchyni, já jsem ho neotvíral.
What we're looking at. Look at that plume of smoke. Look at that.
Can you take, oh, you're videoing.
Yeah. Look, look at that.